Okay, so two of these are arithmetic and two of these scenarios are geometric. And we talked about in class how usually when you see a percent, these are going to be geometric. And then these scenarios are just arithmetic because you're starting with 3,000 and it says 80 more. So that's an addition. So this one's arithmetic and this one's 80 fewer. So that's just a subtraction, which is just adding a negative number. So these two are arithmetic and these two are geometric. If you look at this, some of you mentioned in your explanation that this is recursive because you have the a sub n minus 1 here. That's true. And what is happening to a sub n minus 1? Right here, you are multiplying. So that should eliminate the arithmetic ones because remember, arithmetic is adding, geometric is multiplying. So it's not either one of these two. A lot of people, definitely the majority of people, selected 3 as the answer because they saw the point 80 and they just saw 80% here. We talked about this in class, how if something is growing by 80%, if you multiply it by 0.80, if you take the term before a sub n, that's this, and you multiply it by 0.80, is it going to be growing? And the answer is no, it's going to be getting smaller because 0.80 isn't even a whole 1, where it's only a partial amount of 1, so it's going to be getting smaller if you multiply by 0.80. If 3 were the scenario we were modeling, we would be multiplying by 1.80 to make it go up. Remember, you have to have the initial, the 100% that you started with, and then you're adding an additional 80% to it. On the other hand, on number 4, it is losing 20%, right? And so if it's losing 20%, that means that 80% is still there. So you would be taking what you started with and multiplying it by the 80% that remains because the 20% went away. And so you need to, in your explanation, explain why it is not number 3 and why it is number 4, because the 80% shows up because it's what's left over after you take the 20% out.